Morning everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just reaching out to everyone today, anyone in the professional cleaning industry, obviously through experience and time, they've realised having great equipment is essential, but having even better cleaning products goes hand in hand with that. Obviously we're on a house wash today, we're doing two houses side by side. We're running a soft wash machine, the gun, the J-rod in the end here. But one of our essentials on all house washing is our Apple Wash here. So this is from Softwash Australia. It's at Ashmore on the Gold Coast. Nick Hopkins there can sort you out with any cleaning products there. So this is a scented soap booster with the marker in there. So when you're doing light coloured buildings or anything, you can actually see where you've been with the spray, and especially if you're doing something high, making sure you're getting good coverage. Our general house mix, we use this with a mixture of EBC in there and obviously a bit of SH. But 5 litre drum goes a long way. Great products, great quality. Give Softwash Australia a call, get some Apple Wash, get on board. Job's all completed. Have the new packaging, the Apple Wash from Softwash Australia a go. Fantastic. Like I said, 5 litre convenience there. Great scent on the product. And what we really did notice today on this job is that amazing results on glass. Putting it up there, like I said, we used a little bit of mixture of EBC in there. So if you need any information about your mix ratios or anything to do with Apple Wash or the mix ratios with the EBC, just give Softwash Australia a call. All done. And most important, 100% Australian made.